We spent a day on the new 2019 KTM 450 SXF out at Fox Raceway, formerly Pala Raceway, in Pala, California. Here is what we found out after our first day of riding KTM's motocross and supercross flagship motorcycle. 1. The 2019 KTM 450 SXF received its updates directly from the 2018 KTM 450 SXF Factory Edition. 2. The 2019 KTM 450 SXF's new motor is very user-friendly. 3. The handlebar-mounted map switch has 2 power modes, plus traction control. 4. KTM is the only manufacturer still using an air fork. 5. The linkage-assisted WP shock matches well with the forks. 6. The 2019 KTM 450 SXF is lightest motocross motorcycle in its class. 7. The new bodywork is sleek. 8. Turning is superb. 9. Brembo brakes are excellent. 10. Electric start and hydraulic clutch aren't new, but we're glad they're back. 11. KTM lives up to its ready-to-race motto with the detail. 12. Our initial ride on the 2019 KTM 450 SXF has whetted our appetite for more.